Hello everyone and welcome to week 3 of Foreign Snack Fridays. Today we have the Tim Tams, originally from the Australia. So let's give these a try. Wow. Whoa. Let's have a very strong outer layer of chocolate. Very sweet. Even a little bit tart. Whew. If you like chocolate, this is what's for you. Milk chocolate to the extreme, and then a little crunchy cracker type thing inside. So, pretty good. You know what? It's Tim and my Tam. I'm going to give this a solid 8 out of 10. All right. Well, I'll see you all next week for Foreign Snack Fridays.